Okay, I just wanted to pause it for a second to fix up the board. So we had, if you want to see the problem, you got to go back to the last video, but
Yeah.
they'll be together anyway on the blog. So we had a line segment, and we said this part of the line segment formed the perimeter of a circle. This formed the perimeter of a square, and the areas were the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in the first part, you found your way to this equation. The square root of pi times the radius of the circle is the length of the side of the square.
Yeah.
Okay? So, we're trying to figure out, the whole problem is to figure out where this point is on this line segment. So, you've found a great relationship between the radius of the circle and the length of the side length of the square in the first part. What's the next thing you think you need to do?
Well, maybe find the perimeter of the square.
Okay, awesome. Awesome, that's great. What's the perimeter of the square?
The perimeter of the square is just 4L.
Okay.
So it's just 4 times square root of pi times r.
I may have never told you this before, but pi is not 5. Should write the square root of pi there. Square root of pi, which is not equal to
5.
5. Okay. All right. So that's good. That's the perimeter of the square. Where does that come into play in the problem?
Well, it's this length.
Okay. All right.
So if we can get the entire length in r's.
Why don't you write that up there? 4 times the square root of pi.
Pi times r.
Okay. That's how long this line segment is. Okay.
So now we should find the circumference. The circumference, this is just 2 pi r.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. Oh, this is really neat. I didn't realize I needed to make our line segment a little longer, so let me just do that. Actually, can I use your marker? Because
Running out of ink.
I'm running out of ink. So we got 4 times the square root of pi times r here, and we got 2 pi r here. Okay? And this is B, and this is A, and this is our point P. Now, you're really close to solving the problem. How are we going to figure out a number for where this is? I mean, we basically have already, but I don't think you see what the next step is, do you?
Not really.
Not really? Okay.
Well, if we could find the entire length of the line.
Actually, great question. What is the entire length of the line now?
Well, it's 2 pi r plus 4 square root of pi times r.
Very good. Okay, can you simplify that at all?
Well, it's 2 pi plus 4 times the square root of pi, the whole thing times r.
Very good. Okay. I am going to put the video on pause for just another second, because I think at this point we probably could use a calculator.
Yeah.
And let me just go get one.